shouldn't fuck with me though. I make all that money like I'm running a casino. G-code, now I got that power in my genome. Cut the bluff, can you stand up? What's between those?
I put pen to the paper like they were crossing on each other. I'll make a deputy vet.